Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. This casting is by Hotwheels, part of Silver Series, and it's from a 5-car Pontiac set, if I'm not wrong. You can look at the back, there you go. These are the 5 cars in the set. I was able to get 2, so it's media of those 2. Looks like a nice casting, and like GTOs, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 70 Pontiac GTO Judge out of its box. Looks nice in this olive green kind of paint. Nice wheels, 5-spoke, looks very classic. Moving to the front you've got some nice details. As you can see, detailed headlamp, detailed grille, and lower grille also detailed, and you also have detailed fog lamps. Get this big hood scoop, and this design in the hood looks good. Misses out on mirrors and windshield wipers. I'm assuming because it's based on an older casting. Hotwheels didn't really do mirrors and windshield wiper back then. To driver's side, as we talked before, nice looking wheels. You have this lower part finished in grey. Well, you can say it's kind of a design on the front fender and the rear fender. You can see those light green lines going on. Detailed door handle, 2-door, no windows here, so you can see the interior. It seems to be finished in grey. I like the design of these older cars, they look really nice. They were all about design. Look first and function later kind of thing. On the back, again, good details. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp, you've got a number plate there, a big spoiler, and some grey details right there. Looks nice from the rear too. You got this big window, big trunk. So one thing, the badges, they are not that clear. I don't know if it's just with my casting or they kind of messed up one of those. I'm not sure, but they're not that clear. And the windscreen is tinted blue, so is the real. This is how it looks from the top. You can see, let me just zoom in. You can see there on the hood, you can see the markings there. I think it reads Ram Air, I'm not sure, but this is how it looks from the bottom, and the base is in plastic. It's not a metal base, and it's based on the 2010 casting, so that's why no mirrors. Yeah, it still looks good, looks really nice for a classic casting. I think you won't be disappointed with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.